But ngayon po, it is appearing na there's an effect po pala of that jet grouting sa area. So as far as I'm concerned, I think kami po, in our end, wala po kami kinuhang permit from the DNR kasi as I told you before, earlier, yung pong jet grouting is an initiative of the contractor. Hindi ko po, we never instructed them to do the jet grouting kasi yung technology po na yun, actually yung Region 6, wala po silang capability to tell kung it will be effective. That is why, with the intention naman po of the contractor to save the structure, I think they have asked another consultant what they can do to stop the displacement para mapakinabangan pa po natin yung structure. So I really don't know if they secured the permit from the DNR. Sa amin pong side, wala po kami giving permit for the jet grouting.
So can IBC respond, Bong, on that?
Sa ngayon sir, i-refer ko sa opisina kung nakakuha kami ng permit, baka nandiyan naman yan sa office. Yes.
Okay, but if and when you have that IBC, Bong, no, we could furnish us a copy here.
Yes sir.
Please, thank you.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, sir.
since jet grouting was conducted, we know how effective was jet grouting.
So, on our side, even if our Bureau of Design does not consider jet grouting as a permanent solution to the problem. Temporary lang po talaga just to stop the displacement. But then, as what the consultant told us, dapat we have to put additional time to strengthen the structure.
So as if it was just a palliative solution,
Yes.
temporary solution. It was not so effective.
Yes, sir. It's just to arrest the displacement of the peers.
Okay. So the reason for such is, of course, to initially stabilize it for a while, to prevent it from further going down, para maka-institute kayo ng correct measures. So, yes, Board Member,
Hello. Thank you, good afternoon. Sarap sana makinig na lang, no? Makinig na lang. Ano? But, you know, the point of having this consultation this afternoon is for us naman to have a somewhat a solution for that problem. We're talking about remedies here. The jet grouting, and the effects of the jet grouting. But you know, this only prelude to a bigger investigation later someday, no? Kung eksakto ako, no? This one is a practice investigation. My question is, Director, ano ba talaga yung plano ng region, DPWH region, at saka ng contractor patungkol po doon sa nasira na 4, 5, 6, and 7, at saka meron pa pong unti-unti namang bumababa doon sa ibang peers, meaning it becoming worse and worse and worse. Ano po ba talaga, kasi merong balita na you have to infuse 250 million yata yung Sir Al, no? Yung pera na yon. Para ba ang 250 million na budget na additional is para ba yun sa rectification ng sira or para doon sa buong structure na? Kasi we cannot rectify yung structure na yun eh. Dapat doon, you have to reconstruct again. Because the problem is not the structure, it is the ground that the structure is standing upon. Malaking problema, Director eh. Kaya nga dito, I have to be honest to you, no? Yung pinag-usapan natin yung mga rerouting, yung nakalipas na yun eh. Ang tanong ko kasi ano ba talaga yung plano ng Region 6 ng contractor patungkol doon? Pera ba kailangan doon? Senate investigation ba kailangan doon? What other interventions have you want to this afternoon? Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, before we proceed, ma'am, that is why we are now going to the next phase. No, in-preempt po lang ako. We would like to go to the next phase so we can move on and know what would be the timeline. So, since by June 30, the consultant, Adam and Bernales, will already provide a copy of the report and the intervention, no? And then the 250 million, baka kung hindi naman kaya buo, baka pwede naman partial na makahingi tayo kay secretary o sa department. And then the timeline, we want to move forward after knowing all these things. So after June 30, estimate nyo kailan intervene na yung contractor, and then how long it will take you to complete it, more or less, no, given the time frame, and also considering the weather, and then more or less at least alam natin kung kailan more or less matatapos. So let's move on to the next phase. That's the next phase actually.